What's going on, guys? Today we're opening up two Hot Wheels Fast and Furious premium sets. We have Fast Imports and Original Fast. Each of these sets features 5 cars per series. The Fast Imports is based on a mixture of the movies, while Original Fast is based on the original The Fast and the Furious. No matter which set you prefer, these are some great cars to collect, so let's open them up and take a look at these out of the box. Number 1 out of 5 in Fast Imports is Brian O'Connor's Nissan Skyline GTR R34 from Too Fast, Too Furious. Number 2 from the Fast Imports set is the Nissan Silvia S15, known as the Mona Lisa from the Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift. Number 3 out of 5 in Fast Imports is the 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600, driven by Brian O'Connor in Fast and Furious 6. Number 4 in this set is the Lamborghini Gallardo LP570-4 Superleggero, which is also seen in Fast and Furious 6. Number 5 out of 5 in the Fast Imports set is the black Nissan Skyline GTR R32 from Furious 7. Number 1 out of 5 in the Original Fast set is Letty's Nissan 240SX S14 from the Fast and the Furious. Number 2 in the Original Fast set is the green 95 Mitsubishi Eclipse, driven by Brian O'Connor in the Fast and the Furious. Number 3 out of 5 in this set is the red 95 Mazda RX-7, driven by, of course, Dominic Toretto in the Fast and the Furious. Number 4 from Original Fast is Jesse's white Volkswagen Jetta Mark III from the original The Fast and the Furious. Number 5 out of 5 in Original Fast is the yellow Nissan Skyline GTR R33, known as Big Bird in the Fast and the Furious. So there we have the first 10 Hot Wheels Premium Fast and Furious vehicles for 2019. Now, between Fast Imports and Original Fast, let me know which set is your favorite, and also which car would you want to drive from Fast and Furious. And if you want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.